Alright everyone, I bought these granulating watercolors and I am going to swatch them out and see what they look like. There is Aurora Red, Aurora Pink, Aurora Orange, Aurora Blue, and Aurora Violet. So, let's see what they look like. Well, if I can get them open. There they go. Alright. They all look brown to me. I guess that's what they look like before you put water on them. We'll see what they look like. Well, that one you can tell is purple. Alright, let's let that sit there for I think I've got y'all where you can see. So, alright, we're going to start with the red one. So that's the red. Sit over here. I guess that's, yeah, that is the red. Take a little bit of that off. That is the Aurora Red. I just wonder if I can get it any darker up here. Maybe not. I'm going to try a different way of doing this. I'm going to make this wet. Down that way. And then we'll pick up this one, and it's the Aurora Pink. See how that does. Alright, now we're going to do the Aurora Orange. Yeah, I should have wetted that down a little bit. I don't see any orange. looks more green to me. Maybe once it dries, it'll look more orange. That's probably it. It probably has to dry and it'll look more orange. I don't know. Never used any before. Trying to swatch out all my colors, that way I'll know what I've got and what I can use if I'm looking for a specific color. So that's what this book is going to be for swatching. So this is Aurora Blue. Let's get some more. Somehow I got a hair. Okay. Now, let's do the violet, Aurora Violet. You can see the purple in that. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Wonder what it's going to look like granulated. Not much at making swatches, but I don't know, that would make pretty rocks. That color. That one you could probably use to make distant fields. It looks like it's got grass growing up through it. We'll see how these dry, and I'll be right back. I'll let them dry. Well, everyone, it's dry. I can see the orange in that now. It looked green to me. So I guess you could use it for maybe something you're doing that's copper and it needs some patina on it. That would be good for stones. That would be good for storm clouds, I think. Like at the evening. Really stormy clouds, that one might too. I don't know, maybe some flowers. That's a pretty purple. And I don't know. I'll have to experiment with them along. But I was trying to get everything swatched out so I know what colors I have. And have it all in one spot, so if I'm looking for a different color that I could just pull out my book and say, oh, there it is. So y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one, and until next time, y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.